Congratulations on your purchase of the Emeril Lagasse Southern Cooker. Here are some safety tips you want to keep in mind. First, remember never to use indoors. This includes in a garage, building, breezeway, or any other enclosed area. This appliance is intended for outdoor use in a well-ventilated area. This includes not using it on boats or in recreational vehicles. If used indoors, toxic fumes will accumulate and cause serious bodily injury or death. Do not operate this appliance unless all parts are in place. The appliance must be properly assembled according to the assembly instructions in the manual or the instructional video. Before using the electrical heating element, ensure that any leftover ash, charcoal, wood chips, and any other debris is cleaned out of the charcoal grilling chamber. Do not use charcoal in the charcoal grilling chamber when using the electrical heating tray. When picking the spot to place it, you want to make sure the unit is on a flat, even surface. It should never be put on a glass surface. Combustible items should be at least 5 feet away. Never touch the cooking or charcoal grate, ashes, charcoal, or the appliance itself when hot. And never leave it unattended and supervise children and pets while using it. You should not use the Emeril Lagasse Southern Cooker if it's windy out, and keep the cooking area clear of flammable vapor and liquids, such as gasoline, alcohol, and other combustible materials. Use proper tools with long, heat-resistant handles when operating this appliance. Do not line any part of the appliance's interior with aluminum foil, which will obstruct airflow. Instead, use a drip pan to catch drippings. Outdoor extension cords should be used with outdoor use products and are surface marked with the suffix letter W and with a tag stating suitable for use with outdoor appliances. Keep electrical wires and cords away from the appliance's hot surfaces and away from high traffic areas. For protection against risk of electric shock, keep any extension cord connection dry and off the ground. To ensure continued protection against risk of electric shock, connect the electrical heating element's power cord to a properly grounded 3-prong GFI electrical outlet only. Do not use a 2-prong adapter. Never expose the electrical heating element to water or any other liquid in order to prevent electric shock, which can cause serious bodily injury or death. Disconnect the electrical heating element from the electrical outlet and allow to fully cool before performing maintenance or cleaning. Never move the appliance when it is hot or during operation. Do not clean the electrical heating element with metal scouring pads. Pieces can break off of the pad and touch electrical parts, creating a risk of electric shock. Refer to the Important Safeguards section in the owner's manual for more information. For more information on the Emeril Lagasse Southern Cooker, subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/EmerilEveryday.